Source: Chris Wedel, Android Central. What you need to know. Google is finally rolling out Journeys for Chrome desktop browsers, a feature that the company has been testing since October and hopes will enhance your browser history. Journeys takes your past searches and page visits and groups them together based on the topic. This way, it may be easier to pick up where you left off, whether it was a page you visited today or months ago. Additionally, Google will suggest other relevant searches related to the pages you visited to help you expand your search. Source: Google. Google says it considers how often you visit certain sites, so it'll show you the most relevant items first. And users have the freedom to delete individual items, groups of items, or turn the feature off. However, Google notes that Journeys only saves this information on-device, so your history is safe with Android 12L preview. What is Android 12L? On phones it's a minor upgrade, but on tablets and foldables it's a huge deal. Here's what's new. 0 seconds of 1 minute, 0 seconds volume 0%. Sponsored links. Kayarth and Gayaspace Me Tung Fan Kunkling. Karsim Thailand. Sound Fime Time. Journeys is available on the best laptops in English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Dutch, Portuguese, and Turkish. Google is looking to expand the feature so you can view Journeys on multiple devices. To access the feature, you can visit the Journeys page in Chrome History or click on Resume Your Research when typing a related term in the Omnibox to pick up where you left off. Speaking of the address bar, Google is adding more Chrome Actions. For anyone not familiar with how to use Chrome Actions, it's a feature that lets you perform various functions in Chrome without having to dig for certain settings. Now you can perform the following actions just by typing them into your address bar. Lastly, Chrome is getting some new widgets that will make it easy to perform a search from your phone's home screen, in case the Google search bar isn't enough. With it, you'll be able to access Lens, perform a voice search, open an incognito tab, and even play the Dino game, if that's your thing. These new features and widgets should be rolling out now, although Journeys and Chrome Actions are only available on desktop for now. Google says it's looking to expand Chrome Actions to mobile devices and in more languages. Reincarnation. MoviePass will return this summer with a heavy reliance on virtual currency. MoviePass, the cinema subscription service that went bankrupt in 2019, is relaunching this summer with new subscription tiers and ads-based credits. Anyone for dessert. Google reveals Android 13 dessert name in first developer preview build. Google's first Android 13 developer preview build designates the new Android version with the dessert name. Representation matters. Check out Google's Super Bowl ad featuring Lizzo and the Pixel 6. Google shows off its new Super Bowl ad ahead of Sunday's game. The ad features a snippet of Lizzo's new song and highlights the Pixel 6 real-tone camera. WHO needs a wallet. Put your wallet away and pay with your Wear OS watch instead. Ready to start paying for your coffee with only your smartwatch? Here are all the Wear OS watches that support Google Pay.